Hi, I'm Lindsay with Love and Olive Oil, and today we are making Swiss meringue buttercream. Today I'm going to flavor it actually with lemon curd, but you can make this into whatever flavor you want. So the first step is we're going to combine sugar and egg whites. I actually have a lot of egg whites left over from making the lemon curd, so it's perfect. I've got a makeshift double boiler here, which I've made by setting a glass bowl on top of a saucepan that has about 2 to 3 inches of water. You don't want it to touch the bottom of the bowl. And when it's done, you should be able to rub a little bit between your fingers and not feel any graininess whatsoever. So I still feel a little sugar there, so I'm gonna keep whisking. Okay. After about 5 minutes, you can see what it looks like. A little whiter, a little fluffier. Yeah, I rub it between my fingers. I barely feel any graininess. So that's about done, that's what we're looking for. And transfer the hot egg mixture in to the stand mixer. You're gonna turn it on to medium-high speed and just let it go until this meringue is fluffy, glossy, and about tripled in volume. For about 8 to 10 minutes or so, you're looking for soft, glossy peaks. It should also not be warm to the touch anymore. If you wanna use a thermometer, you can do that. This is still about 90 degrees. We want something below 80, otherwise it's gonna melt the butter. So I'm gonna mix this for a few minutes longer. Okay, that looks pretty good. Again, you can see nice, thick, shiny. And it's just about cooled at this point. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add softened butter about 1 tablespoon at a time, letting each one mix completely before adding the next. If you add it too quickly, your buttercream might break. Give it a scrape every now and then, make sure it mixes evenly. Another cube of butter. Once all the butter is incorporated, you can see how nice and thick, shiny that is. It's not thin or soupy. At this point, I like to switch over to the paddle attachment. This will help us work out some of the extra air. Today I'm gonna add lemon curd because I'm making lemon buttercream. You can leave this out if you just want vanilla or add other extracts or flavorings, whatever you want. Curd going in. And then just mix it on low speed. Again, this will help work out some of the air bubbles. It'll make it go on smoother on your cake. Pinch of salt. Okay. There you have Swiss meringue buttercream. Let's give it a taste. It's fluffy, it's silky, it's not overly sweet like American buttercreams. That's what I love about meringue. With that little bit of lemon curd, it's just enough to cut that sweetness even further with the brightness of the lemon. I'm gonna use this on a triple lemon cake. It's a lemon layer cake with lemon curd and lemon buttercream. But obviously Swiss meringue buttercream, super versatile. You can use it on cakes, cupcakes. I've even frosted cookies with it, and it's delicious.